Okay, this is a UAE job market update that I wanted to give you. Just a few points. Um, I have, because I completed most of the work, now I can share, more vacancies for the coming month. I told you in December that I'll do it only after March because I have a lot of pending stuff. So I've already emailed those people who send me vacancies and all that to inform me if they have any requirements. And this will be advertised to you on my website or whatever, the vacancies. And this will be free. You don't have to pay me. So don't call me up or send me a message. I'll pay you money, put my CV up in the front. The payment has already been made by these people who send me their vacancies. They pay me the money. I share the information, so you don't have to pay anything. I'll give you a few tips also, and also I have to give you a word of caution. Yesterday I got this guy who said he wanted to have a session with me, booked a session, and basically his whole story was that he happened to get one guy who a company or whatever. I don't want to give out the details because obviously the person is doing the same thing I'm doing. So he shared personal details of this person, individual, who kind of advertise resume rebrand like what I'm doing. And the only difference being is, one is the person's price point was lower. The second thing was, the person gave a guarantee that yes, you will get a job, which I think is ethically wrong. You cannot promise someone or tell them, yes, you will get a job, if you can't deliver a job. So the person paid and got the CV. I don't want to comment on the CV, but I can definitely tell you through my experience of being in this industry for 20 years, the CV was... the template was taken from the internet. You can get a lot of these templates for free. If you pay $50 or $100, you get around 1,000 different templates for free online. And sometimes if you pay money, you can get, just Google search, you'll get templates for free. Or you'll get for $100, they'll give you 1,000 templates. And in case any one of you want to do your resume for cheap, really cheap, I mean dirt cheap, you can go to Fiverr, Guru, Freelancer, Upwork. I'll put the links below of all the websites that offer you free this resume rebranding. I don't call it rebranding, I call it, they are writing. Anything from $5 onwards. But keep one thing in mind. What you pay is what you get. These people who are providing the service are mainly people who are sitting, like they might be a student, or they might be a person sitting in Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, India. And what they do is they have templates and they copy paste these templates and they give it to you. So for $5, if I'm charging $500 and the guy is charging you $5 for the same service, or let's say I'm charging $500 and this guy is charging $15, there should be a difference. I mean, why doesn't he charge $500 when he can make $500? Imagine if he has to make the same money that I'm doing, he has to get $5 and $500, at least 100 clients. So there's a difference. Now, if you want resume templates for free, just Google search resume templates, resume layouts. You even get websites that offer you this service for free. But the thing is, it's not a rebrand. It's just changing the meaning of the words, like a thesaurus. Okay? And the links will be put down below for the different freelancing websites. Some people claim that they are experts, that they are HR professionals. I don't know how far their claim is good. I don't have time to sit and take their service and evaluate them. And I don't want to do that because they are also earning their daily bread like me. So I don't want to badmouth them. So they are doing what they have to do, I'm doing what I have to do. So if they charge a particular sum of money, and obviously I would like my work. If I see someone else's work which is cheaper and substandard, I would criticize it. That doesn't mean there are no resume rebrand professionals in the world. So I'm just giving a heads up. So be careful of this, especially if someone gives you sweet talk or tells you that they guarantee. There is nobody who can guarantee you a job. I can assure you this much. There is nobody who will guarantee you a job. Resume rebranding, I've not met anyone who does the work I do. I met people who rewrite CVs, who change the wordings, who change the layout, change the color, change the font, change the design. But they don't do the work I do. So I'm not saying that they are bad. Give them a try. See, listen, I'm not one of those people who will say, no, they are all shit and I'm the best. No. Go ahead, give it a try. And remember, the proof of the work is in the pudding. Anyone can say, oh, my CV is the best and all that. You just have to figure out how many interviews you're being called for. Whenever anyone comes to me and says, Loy, is my resume good enough? I give them a simple answer. If you're getting calls for interviews, your resume is decent enough. If you give your resume to 10 places and at least minimum, say 2, if not 5, at least 2 people call you for interviews and they offer you a position that is challenging and a salary package that is, if not the same, at least decent enough, trust me, you do not need a resume rebrand. Okay? However, if you're getting calls but you're getting a shitty salary, that means you need to rebrand because they are offering you less. And the worst one is if you're not getting calls at all. And like I told you, a proper resume rebrand takes nothing less than 2 weeks to 4 weeks. 2 to 4 weeks. If anyone tells you that they can do it in 24 hours or 15 minutes, it's just copy paste from the internet. Where the work I do literally takes time, effort, and it's a lot of headache, man. That's why I charge larger sum. Anyway, let's move to the next one. So the vacancies will be advertised by March. Whenever anyone sends me a vacancy, I speak to them, verify with them, and I only accept those people who pay me money. You don't pay me money, I'm not going to talk about you. And even if you pay me money, I will make sure that I verify the information, because I'm sharing your information with my followers. I don't want anyone to be cheated. I have refused people who advertise and talk about they only want cabin crew girls, or they want models, or they're looking at students, freshers, and people with questionable ethics. I don't want to do that. I don't want to walk down that path, because if I wouldn't want that for myself or my family members, I'm not going to do this. So this is as far as the vacancies go for the month of March. Vacancies announced. What else? Yes, and one last thing is the format which I want you to share this thing, covering letter. Keep it brief. In the vacancies, I'll put the instructions on my website. For those of you who wish to apply, make a covering letter standard. State very briefly what you want, which position, what salary range. Mention explicitly a salary there, because if you don't mention a salary, the guy will be like, should I call, shouldn't I call? And don't put a ridiculous salary. Don't put like, oh, I know they'll negotiate. So, there you go. So instead of, let's say for example, you deserve $2,000 per month, don't put $5,000. And when you ask them why you put $5,000, so they'll negotiate and then it'll come down to 2. People are not stupid. They don't have time for all this shit. So if $2,000 is what you're expecting, put the range in the range of 2,000 to 2,200 or 2,000 to 2,500. That's the range. Obviously, they'll go for the lower amount, but then it's all about what you can offer. Okay? And one last thing is, please, this is the biggest request. Don't spam people. Don't send more than don't send your profile more than once. And this is the biggest thing that I tell people is, if you send your resume once, your IP address, your email address, your details are all saved in servers. And then if you try changing your CV, coming out with a new CV, new color, new font, new design, new email address, they will catch you. So, and never apply for a government agency by changing facts, figures, or CV. See, once you send a CV, that's done. So make sure when you apply, you give it your best. And if you don't want to take my service, I've always told people, then sit down with a decision maker. Sit down with someone at a very high position. Someone who runs a business, or someone who is, successfully changed their job multiple number of times. Ask them to evaluate your CV and make sure that this person is elder than you, in your industry, has knowledge, has experience, so they can guide you. And remember what I've told you, a proper CV takes nothing less than 2 weeks to a month to make. Even with 20 years experience under my belt, it takes me 2 weeks to 4 weeks to come out with a properly crafted CV. Even if it's a fresher, even if it's a student, I literally take around 2 weeks, because there's a lot of research involved, a lot of thought involved, and it has to come out like a masterpiece. I'm not talking of color, I'm not talking of layout, I'm not talking of graphics, strictly content. What the market wants is what you should give. So this is what I wanted to share with you in terms of updates. Job vacancies are coming for March. I'll seriously hope, whether you're my client or not my client, I hope you get the job. For me, the clients, the people who are advertising are paying the money. So I'm already making my money. I don't need you to pay me more money. But if you want my service, yes, you have to pay me money. But please keep in mind, I explicitly state I never offer job guarantees. I do not take money and give you a job. I never do that. Nobody can do that. Nobody does that in the real world. There is no such thing as I'll pay you cash, get me a job. I don't do jobs for cash. I don't sell jobs for cash. Okay? Hope that is clear. Any questions, let me know. And I can tell you one thing. If you're prepared, trust me, whether you take my service or you don't take my service, but if you are 100% prepared, you're ready, you have done your homework, you will get a call for the interview. And at the interview, it's all about how you market and sell yourself to get the job. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know your thoughts and questions down in the comment section below. And happy job hunting. You guys take care. This is me signing off. Ciao.